Hello guys, this is Sanjana Parihar, an intern at Lexis & Company. I'm a student at Shulin University pursuing the course of BA LLB. I'm in my first year, and today we are going to discuss this case of Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. First, let's come to the judgment. The Supreme Court decriminalizes the homosexuality by striking of the parts of Section 377 of Indian Penal Code, which were held violative to the fundamental rights of LGBTQ community in 2018. Now, other than this, it dismissed the position taken by the Supreme Court in Suresh Kumar Kaushal case in 2013 that the LGBTQ community constitutes a minuscule minority, and so there is no need of decriminalize the homosexual sex. Now, as we have mentioned that Suresh Kaushal case of 2013, we know that this was not the only case in which LGBT communities' rights were mentioned, right? So let's go from the starting. The first time when this kind of topic was originated was from Nas Foundation versus Government of NCT of Delhi. This case was of 2009, where Delhi High Court struck off Section 377, legalizing the consensual homosexual activities between adults. But later, Suresh Kumar Kaushal case of 2013, Supreme Court overturned the previous judgment by the Delhi High Court that decriminalizes the homosexual acts and criminalizes the homosexual once again. Supreme Court argued that in 150 years, less than 200 persons has been prosecuted under the section of 377. Therefore, plight of sexual minorities could not be used as argument of deciding constitutionality of law. Further, Supreme Court ruled that it was the legislature to took into desirable of deleting the section 377 of IPC. Now, there was another case which was of 2017 of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India. In this case, Supreme Court ruled that the fundamental right to privacy is intrinsic of life and liberty, and thus comes under Article 21 of Indian Constitution. Supreme Court declared that bodily autonomy was integral part of the right to privacy. This bodily autonomy has within its ambit of sexual orientation of an individual. So, coming to the conclusion of it, Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India was finally a success story for LGBTQ community, where homosexuality was decriminalized again. Now, what would be the impact of this? Sexual minorities in India are one step closer to living with dignity, right? And LGBT community will be able to come out in the open again. Other than this, why do you think this 377 was struck of this Indian Penal Code? There are a lot of issues that were striking with it as fundamental rights of Article 14, Article 15, Article 21, as we discussed, about protection of life and liberty, and which also includes privacy, Article 19, which is freedom of expression. The Supreme Court, while decriminalizing the consensual sex between homosexuals, observed that the members of LGBT community possess the same fundamental rights as others, right? And so the law and morality says those against legalizing the gay sex argue that is against the moral values of the society. However, the activists arguing for it says what is forbidden in the religion need not to be prohibited in the law. Thank you. I know this topic was wide and I wasn't able to complete all of it. I'll try to make another video over it. But if there's any question or any kind of comments related to this video, do mention in the comment section. I'll be answering you as soon as possible. Also, This video does not solicit any types of the promotion or advertisement as per the guidance of the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Do let me know how did you like the video. Thank you.